how to create a dolly zoom shot. A dolly zoom is an in-camera effect where you dolly towards or away from a subject while zooming in the opposite direction. This effect will keep the size of your subject the same, but it will change the size of the background, creating really interesting perspective. For this reason, it's also called Vertigo effect. Where do we find the dolly zoom in the app? Remember to turn on your Bluetooth and location. Go inside the Hohem Joy App. We scroll through the menu, we go to Moment. You scroll up or down and you go to Dolly Zoom. And now here we press on Start. You now have the option to select the starting zoom called A and the ending zoom called B. You also select the range of time you want to set up for your shot. I'll go with 5 seconds and I click on Start. Now keep the subject in the center and be ready to move backward after the countdown of 3 seconds, while the zoom of your camera will zoom in towards the subject and it will create the vertigo effect. And that's how you create a dolly zoom shot with your gimbal.